Here's how you can add a timer to CapCut using the free version of Claude. This is completely free and it's really simple. Let's get started. So let's open up Claude, the free version, and we're gonna use this prompt. So create an SRT subtitle file as a count up timer, as opposed to count down. Start at 00 and count up to 10 minutes. Now you can change this to however long you want, say 60 minutes. Display the time in a minute to second format and format it in a valid SRT file, correct sequence and timestamps. So let's get Claude to generate this for us. Shouldn't take too long. Cool, so Claude has done its thing. Let's scroll down and click download. It'll pop up here. Now if we move this aside, I have my project over here on CapCut. Now let's just drag and drop it to our timeline. Now I find this the easiest way to do it, just drag and drop. Now we have it here. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just gonna delete all these that extend past the clip, like that, delete. Now Control plus, let's delete these as well. Now, as you can see, it is there. It's just that my beige hoodie makes it hard to see. So I'm going to show you a workaround. So if we select one of these captions or numbers, then we can adjust the font and everything else as long as apply to all main captions is selected. But what I like to do is I go background and then we can make it rounded with the corners. We can adjust the height and width. We can make it bigger. We can drag it up. I think that looks good. We can change the color. Let's make it on brand. And then you can also highlight everything, right click and make it a compound clip. And that just makes it easy to edit. And one last thing to do after I make it the same length is select it. Then I like to go to animation and then go basic and then just add a simple animation. Let's just go basic blur in. And you can add a sound effect as well if you want. Just go audio, sound effect, let's say whoosh. And then it's probably a bit fast. There we go. Change the volume so it's a bit loud, softer, I mean. And that's how you add a timer. Now to save you time, the SRT files will be downloadable for free in the description, both a 10-minute version and a 60-minute version. So it's all completely free. And then you just have to adjust the settings based on your liking. But that's essentially how simple it is to use Claude and ChatGPT to make a timer. There are many use cases as well. And if you want to check out more videos on Claude X ChatGPT, Claude X CapCut, it will be in this playlist right here. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.